Vittal. Good morning to everyone present over here. I am Gayatri Gotamwad.
I am Arnav Tarak.
Welcome you all for today's Ashadi Ekadashi celebration. Ashadi Ekadashi is a sacred and colorful celebration of faith, devotion and culture.
Ashadi Ekadashi is a very important day for the people of Maharashtra and devotees of Lord Vittala.
On this day, thousands of pilgrims walk on barefoot in the grand Pandharpur Wari, chanting Vittala Vittala with love and devotion.
Ashadi Ekadashi is not just a festival, it's an opportunity to connect with our spiritual self and seek blessing from Lord Vittala.
The fast is broken only on the next day, which is called Dwadashi, after offering the prayers.
Fasting is a way of showing our love for Lord Vittala and becoming better version of ourselves.
Let us carry the forward message of devotion, discipline and unity shown by the Varkaris. May Lord Vittal bless us all with peace, knowledge and strength to walk on right path. Jai Hari Vittal, Jai Panduranga.
My name is Rajvardhan Gawande.
And my name is Advika Mangesh Sonane.
On the Ashadi Ekadashi, the air is filled with devotion, chants and joy.
It is said that music is the language of the soul, and what better way to offer our prayers than through heartfelt bhajan.
Bhajans are not just songs, they are expression of pure love and surrender to the Lord.
Let us close our eyes, join our hands and open our hearts as our friends singing group presents all touching songs and bhajan in praise of Lord Vittal and Rukmini.
Let's welcome them with a big round of applause.
Vittal,
Vittal, Jai Hari Vittal. विठ्ठला, हरी ओम विठ्ठला, पांडुरंग विठ्ठला, हरी ओम विठ्ठला. Good morning everyone, my name is Parth Patil and my name is Aryan Pathare. Today we are celebrating the auspicious occasion of Ashadi Ekadashi. Yes, during this period, many devotees observe fast and engage in various religious activities to seek blessing from Lord Vitthala. The Pandharpur Wari is a unique tradition where thousands of devotees walk hundreds of kilometers, singing bhajans and chanting the name of Lord Vithoba. Yes, the devotion and energy of the Varkaris are inspiring, and also heard that they carry palki of sons like Sant Tukaram Maharaj and Sant Dhaneshwar Maharaj. I wish that I can see all these things. Yes, you can. Our friends of standard first and second are ready to mesmerize grateful moves and expression. Thank you. Jai Vitthala, Jai Hari Vitthala.
ऐसे लाभो भान देगा देवादान चरणात ध्यान राहू देगा अमृताची वेळ अमृताचा कुंभ भक्तीचा मृदुंग वाजू देगा विठू तुझ्या दारी भेटला श्रीरंग मन झाले दंग माऊलीचे घडो तुझी प्रीत वाढो तुझा संग जीवनाचा रंग पाहू देगा
म्हणून विठ्ठली आवडी सर्व सुखाचे आगरू परस्मा देवी वरू तो हा विठ्ठल बरवा तो हा माधव जगण्याचा पाया चालण्याचे बळ विचारांची कळ तुकाराम शब्दांचे इमान अक्षरांचे रान अभंगाचे पान तुकाराम सर्व वृत्ती निर्गुण संचलन सर्वदा आकार संपदा नाही कया मुक्ताई अमित मुक्त पंचरत जीवी शिवी अनंत सत्वविद अमृताहुनी गोड नाव तुझे देवा मन माझे केशवा काबान्न घे हरिदासा गरजती करी नामाच्या खेटी नये माझ्या चित्ती नाम म्हणे
Pari Hari. Honorable School Management, respected Vice President Sir, thank you so much sir for gracing today's occasion. We are highly obliged with your auspicious presence. Respected Principal Ma'am, Vice Principal Ma'ams, all my dear heads, teachers and my lovely students. I wish you all a very happy Ashadi Ekadashi. Today we have just witnessed, observed this beautiful innocent performance. It gives me an immense pleasure to witness this beautiful program, and I'm so happy and so glad today by observing these small kids giving their maximum inputs, giving their maximum, you can say, potential, what they have in terms of dancing, in terms of singing, in terms of presenting, portraying roles of the great saints, Sant Jnaneshwar, Jagadguru Shri Tukaram Maharaj, Eknath Maharaj, Muktai, all these children, they have really brought tears in our eyes. And I'm truly, you can say, overwhelmed with these performances today. Dear students, Ashadi Ekadashi is a most significant festival which is, can say, cherished all across Maharashtra. It is celebrated all across Maharashtra, even outside Maharashtra, worldwide we can say. Every day you are reciting the prayer which is Pasaidan, which is prayer given by our Sant Jnaneshwar Mauli to the whole world. It's a world prayer, you know, and you are reciting every day. Today I am going to make you aware what does it means. आता विश्वात्मके देवे येणे वाद्यज्ञे तोषावे तोषोनी मज द्यावे पसायदान है. It means, may the self of the universe be pleased with this sacrifice of words and bestow his grace on me. जे खळांची व्यंकटी सांडो तया सत्कर्मी रती वाढो भूता परस्परे पडो मैत्र जीवांचे. It means, may the sinners no longer commit evil deeds. May their desire to do good increase. And may all beings live in harmony with one another. It is very important that we all, not only in India, across the world, live in harmony with each other. दुरितांसे तिमिर जावो विश्व स्वधर्म सूर्य पाहो जो जे वांछिल तो ते लाहो प्राणिजात. It means, may the darkness of sin means pap, may the darkness of sin disappear. May the world see the rising sun of righteousness, and may the desires of all creatures be satisfied. वर्षत सकळ मंगळी ईश्वर निष्ठांची मांदियाळी अनवरत भूमंडळी भेटतू भूता. It means, may everyone keep the company of saints devoted to God, who will shower their blessings on them. चला कल्पतरूंचे आरव चेतना चिंतामणीचे गाव बोलते जे अर्णव पियुषांचे. It means, saints, dear children, listen carefully. Saints and the great people, they are like walking gardens, you know, they are like walking gardens filled with wish-fulfilling trees. They are walking gardens filled with wish-fulfilling trees, and they are living villages of wish-fulfilling gems. Who are they? The great saints. They are the living villages of wish-fulfilling gems. Their words are like oceans of nectar. Okay, nectar means honey, mud, right? Their words are like oceans of nectar. चंद्रमे जे अलांछन मार्तंड जे तापहीन ते सर्वाही सदा सज्जन सोयरे होतु. It means, they are moons without blemish and suns without heat. May these saints be the friends of all people. किम बहुना सर्व सुखी पूर्ण होनी तिन्ही लोकी भजिजो आदि पुरुषी अखंडित. It means, may all beings of all worlds be filled with joy and may they worship God forever. आनि ग्रंथोपजीविये विशेषी लोकी इये दृष्टादृष्ट विजये होआवेजी. It means, may all those for whom this book, which book? Jnaneshwari, Sant Jnaneshwar has written Jnaneshwari. Okay, so may all those for whom this book Jnaneshwari is there, very life be blessed with success in this world and the next. There are two worlds. One world in which we live when we are alive, another world where we go after dying. And that world we get as per our karmas. येथ म्हणे श्री विश्वेश्वरावो हा होईल दान पसावो येणे वरे ज्ञानदेवो सुखिया झाला. It means the Nivrittinath. Then the Nivrittinath says, the great master said that this blessing will be granted. This brought great joy to Sant Jnaneshwar Mauli. So dear children, this is the meaning of this great prayer which is known as the World Prayer Pasaidan, which you are reciting every day while dispersing. Right? And Lord Panduranga, Lord Vithala, what does he ask for? He asks for that whatever you are doing, whether you are going on a Vari, as Varkari Sampradaya people are going, lot of devotees of Lord Vithala is going for Vari, or as a student, you are studying, you are developing. As a teacher, we are contributing in the development of the society, the nation, the future citizens we are grooming. Or as any human being, any individual, whatever work you are doing, you should do it as worship. Work is worship. So I'd like to share a story with you. We all know Ram Setu. Ram Setu was made by the devotees of Lord Rama, right? They were the small monkeys and they were the army of Lord Rama, and they were doing under the supervision of great Lord Hanumana, right? And when they were putting the rocks in the water, in the ocean, in the Samudra, there we were writing what name? Which name was written? Ram. Ram, right? And they were writing Ram and they were throwing. And it was floating, right? The rocks were floating. When Lord Rama has seen that, he thought, my name is having so much power. So I may be having more power than my name. Let me also try it. So he, without writing anything, okay, he just picked up a small stone and he threw. And what happened? The stone did not float. It got drowned. And then from the backside, Lord Hanumana was observing all this, what Lord Rama was doing. Then he asked, what are you doing? Prabhu, what you are doing? Then Lord Rama said, I was trying that my name you are writing and putting the rocks in the water and the rocks are floating. When I tried, I thought that if I will throw it, it will also float. Then, but it drowned. Why it happened? He asked Lord Hanumana. Hanumana, we all know, Buddhimatam Varishtam. He is the supreme knowledge. He has supreme knowledge. He said, Prabhu, ज्यांनी तुमचा हात सोडला तो बुडल्याशिवाय राहील का? सो आपके हाथ से अगर कोई चीज छूट गई तो वो तो जिंदगी भर वो तो कभी ऊपर आ ही नहीं सकती. जिसके साथ आपका नाम है वही आगे जाएगा. And then the same, all this when they were making the Ram Setu, the army of Ravana also observing, and they told their master Ravana that, see, they are making some Ram Setu and they are just writing Ram and the rocks are floating. There must be some power. So Ravana said, I also have power. I will also try this. And he also threw the rock and the rock floated. There was a lot of joy in the army and everybody said, yes, our master is also very powerful. But then when the Ravana went to Mandodari, who was Mandodari? Wife of Ravana. Mandodari asked Ravana that I know everything, how much powers you have, what is your basic, you can say, what kind of magics you can do, what powers you have, and how much courage you have. But this I was not knowing, that the rocks will float if you will throw in the water. Then you know what Ravana said? Ravana looked here and there and just he told his wife, मी त्या रॉकला हेच म्हणलो की तुला रामाची शपथ आहे बुडला तर. And then the rock started floating. So what does it mean? That the name of God is the most supreme. Ram se bada Ram ka naam. Even Lord Vithala, you have to just recite the name. In Kali Yuga, children, if you, whatever you do, just devote it to the Almighty. And again, I wish you all a very, very happy Ashadi Ekadashi. I hope that Lord Vithala blesses all of us. And these small kids, give a huge round of applause for them once again. They have truly touched our hearts today.